To prove adultery in court, a lot of times all you really have is circumstantial evidence. So if you can show that, for instance, somebody spent the night at somebody's house, that is usually enough to show that there was adultery. That a lot of times has to be shown through surveillance or a private investigator. The most common way of proving adultery in court is people's phones. So, text messages where people have acknowledged sexual interaction. Very often, people send each other photos or videos. And also, very often, people get on dating apps or websites and mention specifics of having met up that are then found and captured by their spouse. So, if you think your spouse is cheating and you find something on their phone or something on their computer, you need to immediately take steps to preserve that because that could be very, very important evidence later on. Sometimes a spouse will admit adultery in a moment of feeling guilt, and especially if that admission is done over text, you need to keep that text message and screenshot it. There are lots and lots of cases where you know and I know that the person has cheated, but we just can't prove it. I have text messages with somebody and his coworker where there's all kinds of innuendo, but there's no actual proof that they went the next step. That happens more often than not in cases. So, um, when I suspect adultery in a case, the first thing I'm going to tell you is let's get a private investigator.